Hi everyone, I'm Niyati.
And I'm Saili and we're Fin Cocktail together.
So आज हम उस बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जिसे हम अपना पूरा अटेंशन नहीं दे पाते, and that is senior citizens and people with pre-existing conditions and their need to get insurance.
So yes, it's equally important that they get insured. And let's find out why. Let's dive in.
Now we all know that जो बड़े बुजुर्ग होते हैं they are more prone to diseases and health conditions as compared to youngsters. Now the treatment for these diseases is not only expensive but बहुत लंबे टाइम तक चलती है. तो अगर आप सीनियर सिटीजन हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्लान लेते हो पॉलिसी बाजार से तो आपको टेंशन नहीं लेनी पड़ेगी आउट ऑफ एनी मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस अराइजिंग फ्रॉम हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स इन ओल्ड एज.
Senior Citizen Health Insurance is a type of medical insurance जो आपके medical expenses cover करता है आपकी old age में. ये plans आपको preventive health checkups के साथ साथ cashless hospitalization के options देता है in the insurance company's network of hospitals of course. इन plans में आपके pre-existing conditions, hospitalization expenses, pre and post hospitalization expenses, critical illness and even coronavirus treatment can be covered.
तो कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जिसकी वजह से सीनियर सिटीजन मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस प्लान्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम रेगुलर वंस. लेट्स सी व्हाई. ये आप तभी ले सकते हो इफ यू आर अबव 60 इयर्स ऑफ एज. देयर इज यूजुअली नो मैक्सिमम एंट्री एज. दे हैव कैशलेस क्लेम्स अवेलेबल एट नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल्स एंड इवन प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ चेकअप्स. आप ये इंश्योरेंस रिन्यू भी कर सकते हो थ्रू आउट योर एंटायर लाइफ टाइम एंड ये प्लान्स आपको कुछ कुछ टैक्स बेनिफिट्स भी देते हैं अप टू 75,000 अंडर सेक्शन 80D.
तो आपको क्यों लेना चाहिए ये सीनियर सिटीजन हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस अपने आप के लिए या आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए? अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी नो दैट हेल्थ इश्यूज गो हैंड इन हैंड विद एज एंड इमरजेंसी हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन ऑफ योर सेल्फ और योर पेरेंट्स कैन बी रियली डिस्ट्रेसिंग इमोशनली एंड फाइनेंशियली. तो एटलीस्ट आपका फाइनेंशियल बिट इससे कवर हो जाएगा.
With medical treatment and hospitalization becoming more and more costly due to medical inflation, it has become imperative for elderly people to purchase senior citizen health insurance policies in order to avail the best healthcare services.
With old age, the possibility of being diagnosed with a critical illness like heart ailments or kidney disease or even cancer is higher. With a senior citizen health insurance policy, these illnesses can be covered in your basic or even add-on plans.
Senior citizens can avail free health checkups on a yearly basis under most senior citizen health plans. It is really important for them to undergo a medical screening on a regular basis, and these health plans help reduce the expenses that come along with these medical checkups. However, it's important to bear in mind that some of these plans may offer this facility after only 2 or 3 claim-free years.
मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा बुरा कब लगता है जब मेरी ग्रैनी मेडिकल बिल्स का बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेती है. She's seen 80 years worth of medical inflation and she's just waiting कि अगला बिल कितना महंगा होगा. It can be really distressing for elderly people, especially seeing the increase in treatment costs both for minor and major illnesses. So ये इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी थोड़ा पीस ऑफ माइंड दे सकती है उनको.
ये सब तो ठीक है, but what is actually covered in the health insurance plans for senior citizens? So let's start with the most obvious and necessary one, which is hospitalization expenses. Now these include room charges, nursing fees, doctor's fees, cost of medication, surgical equipment charges, operation theatre charges, ICU charges. So all the above are covered under this plan. It also covers the cost of artificial limbs, orthopedic implants, prosthetic devices and diagnostic tests that are run during the medical treatment of senior citizens.
Specific daycare treatments that require less than 24 hours of hospitalization, like chemotherapy or dialysis, are usually covered under most plans.
Medical costs before getting hospitalized and after getting discharged are also covered under most senior citizen Mediclaim policies.
There are also more things that can be covered, including ambulance charges, organ donation expenses, Ayush treatment costs, and even domiciliary hospitalizations.
लेकिन ध्यान रखना, although they cover a lot, कुछ चीजें covered नहीं होती. For example, cosmetic surgery, dental treatment, non-allopathic treatment, etc.
Speaking of things that may not be covered, सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? वो है pre-existing conditions. People with pre-existing conditions also need to get insured. A pre-existing illness or disease is diagnosed before you get your insurance policy. मतलब कि आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कि ये आपको डिजीज है पॉलिसी लेने के पहले। प्री एग्जिस्टिंग कंडीशंस कैन इंक्लूड द यूजुअल सस्पेक्ट्स लाइक डायबिटीज, एस्थमा, ऑल द वे अप टू थायराइड और हाई ब्लड प्रेशर।
Insurance providers are more apprehensive to provide health insurance cover to people with pre-existing conditions. Now, this is because people with pre-existing illnesses are more likely to file for a claim, and thus it poses a bigger financial risk to the insurance provider. The harsh truth is that even health insurance companies are working towards building a profitable business.
The problem is people with pre-existing health issues tend to undergo some procedures over time. And what the insurer can do is cancel your policy, take it straight out of your policy, or even refuse to pay the bill. अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि इस इशू को कैसे सॉल्व करें, but don't worry. Here are a few tips to choose the right health insurance policy for you, especially if you have a pre-existing condition.
It can be challenging to get health insurance coverage, especially when you have pre-existing conditions. But सारी health insurance companies ऐसे नहीं होती. For example, there are companies that take into account the entire medical history of the proposer while determining pre-existing conditions, while there are others that take into account the medical history of the proposer only for the past few years.
बस ये याद रखना है कि कोई भी हेल्थ इशू हो तो उसे छुपाना नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर बाद में ये पता चल जाए तो आपकी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपका क्लेम रिजेक्ट कर सकती है।
Health insurance companies will only take into consideration ailments that will have an impact in the long run. For example, if you're prone to flus, coughs, colds, fevers, do not fret. The insurance companies will not take into consideration short-term health issues as they don't have a long-term side effect.
It's not true that pre-existing illnesses are not covered by health insurance. There's just a waiting period involved. Now, under this, you have to wait a certain amount of time before these conditions can be covered by your insurer. During the waiting period, your claim will be rejected. Any doctor fees, cost of medicines, even hospitalizations, all of that will not be borne by your insurer. It will only be covered after the completion of the waiting period or not covered at all.
So that's about it from us on this topic. Don't shy away from getting the right insurance policy for you or your family, even if you have pre-existing conditions. And while you're at it, head over to Policy Bazaar and subscribe to their channel for more such videos.